Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay self-employment tax in the UK. First, if you earn over £1,000 from self-employment, you must register for self-assessment. This is a crucial first step. You need to register online with HM Revenue and Customs by the 5th of October following the end of the tax year. Once registered, you will receive your unique taxpayer reference, or UTR, which is essential for all future tax dealings. This process ensures you are correctly set up with the tax authorities. Next, let's talk about calculating your tax. Your self-employment income is subject to both income tax and national insurance contributions. It is incredibly important to keep accurate and detailed records of all your income and every single allowable business expense. By deducting these allowable expenses from your total income, you will arrive at your taxable profits. This figure is what your tax will be based upon, so precision here is key for correct calculation. Now, let's discuss filing your tax return. The online filing deadline for your self-assessment tax return is the 31st of January following the end of the tax year. If you prefer to file a paper return, the deadline is earlier, on the 31st of October. Remember these dates to avoid penalties. You also have the flexibility to amend your tax return up to 12 months after the original filing deadline, should you need to make any corrections. Finally, it's time to pay your tax bill. Your main tax payment for the previous tax year is due by the 31st of January. Additionally, you might need to make payments on account, which are advance payments towards your next tax bill. These are due on the 31st of January and the 31st of July. You have several convenient options for payment, including online methods, bank transfers, or other approved channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.